Welcome to this presentation on strategic maps and how they can make your strategy visible and actionable. Ever wondered how to transform ambitious strategic plans into tangible actions? Let's explore the power of strategic maps. We'll see how visualization can bridge the gap between brilliant ideas and actual results, driving successful execution. Many organizations face a common challenge: a significant gap between strategic planning and on-the-ground execution. Often, employees are disconnected from the high-level strategy, lacking a clear vision of their role in achieving company goals. The solution? Strategic visualization, making strategy understandable and accessible to everyone in the organization. Strategic maps are powerful tools for visually connecting goals, ensuring clear understanding and alignment across the board. Strategic maps have their roots in the renowned Balanced Scorecard framework, developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton. The Balanced Scorecard provides 4 key perspectives for evaluating organizational performance, which form the basis of strategic maps. A strategic map serves as a visual representation of your goals, outlining the entire strategy on a single page. Goals are placed according to the Balanced Scorecard perspectives, with arrows showing the cause and effect relationships between them. At the heart of a strategic map lie the cause and effect relationships, illustrating how various goals support each other. These relationships typically flow from intangible assets, such as employee skills, through internal processes and customer outcomes, to financial results. Building a strategic map involves several key steps, including defining strategic goals and identifying cause and effect relationships. First, define your strategic goals, then distribute them across the Balanced Scorecard perspectives. And then let's discuss. Let's look at an example of a cause and effect chain, from improving employee skills to increasing revenue. Improved learning and development leads to better internal processes, which enhances client service, ultimately boosting finances. Now, let's get practical. Take a moment to draw your own mini-map for a simple personal or team goal. Divide your goal into simplified perspectives and draw the key how and why connections. Reflect on what became obvious during the drawing process and what connections turned out to be most important or weakest. Consider how this changes your vision of the path to your goal and identify any potential bottlenecks. Strategic maps work because they provide clarity, align actions with priorities, and facilitate communication of strategy. They also serve as a basis for measurement and management, all while staying connected to the Balanced Scorecard. To put your strategy into action, take the first step. Discuss the idea of strategic maps within your team or organization. Try drawing a map for a small project and look for examples in your field. Remember, visualization leads to understanding and action. Join us for a practical workshop and experience exchange, where you can share your insights and mini-maps. Write in the comments what connections surprised you, how you plan to use this idea, and ask any questions you may have.